Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable captions on Instagram. So open the Instagram app and you will have to go to the right bottom of your profile icon, and you will have to just go to the reels, and I will just open the randomly reel of mine. So I will have to click to the of three dots of the top of the right, and you in the last you will see the manage captions. You will click and turn it on these captions. So now go back and refresh your Instagram page. So I will refresh it and I will open again the reel which I enable. You will see the caption will see. So this is how to enable caption on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.